That's one of about 10,000.
He was speeding up too, I thought.
He went around, man. He touched down and he took off. What did he do? Did he touch? He went around, but he touched down and wonder why though. Must have had some wind shear or something. Reset.
Gentlemen, your captain, as you see, we had to discontinue the approach due to wind situation. We are presently on another pattern for a second approach, and we should be on the ground in approximately 10 minutes. Thanks for your understanding.
Damn, that was a hard landing too. Wow. It's a hard landing, eh, bro?
Yeah, it was.
It's one of the hardest landings I've ever had. I thought, shit.
Well, a lot of planes when they land, they wobble.
Yeah, yeah.
And
he went down hard. He went down real hard on the back here, and then, but to go around's a bloody risky manoeuvre in that situation.
Yeah.
We've been full throttle and out of there.
and now he has to go the second time.
Yeah.
Makes him a lot more nervous.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Wow.
But I mean, that was his call.
Yeah, but we touched the ground, man. It's you don't normally go around when you touch down.
I think he hit the ground and then bounced back up.
Yeah. But you don't normally go around when you touch down, man. That's risky, man. That's real risky. Fuck me.
Was that your laptop that just was your laptop down there?
Yeah, possibly.
Somewhere?
Shit. Might have to.
Someone's got it about 6 rows up.
Holy shit.
Was it your laptop? Did you have a laptop?
That's the electron bag. Oh,
Mate.
I was hoping don't flip.
Mate, that was a great. What did he do? What happened? What happened, man? What happened?
We were all,
I couldn't see outside the window, but what happened?
no, we were just swaying
Again.
side to side, yeah.
There's a wind shear or something.
I don't know, but it wasn't like it was just swaying side to side.
I thought he was going to go around again at one point.
Yeah, that's what I thought. I thought he was going to take off.
Yeah.
Pick up the safety, please remain seated until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the seatbelt sign has been switched off.
Man, I thought landing would be okay. I didn't think there was a problem, but obviously there is. In which case, why don't we divert to the Gold Coast? That's just ridiculous. If he had problems landing the first time, why not just go to the Gold Coast? Fuck, he almost killed us all. Seriously, that was dodgy. Might have a knock on the door as I leave and have a bit of a word to him.